This is a cone. It has two faces, one circular and one curved. It has one vertex and one edge. For example, verticap and asymptote.
It is a pair. It has one covered face, no edges, no vertex. For example, football, tennis ball, etc.
This is a cylinder. It has three faces, one curved and two circular, and it has no vertex and two edges. Example of cylinder is